Starting with a solid and reliable base is the key to any successful project. So why wouldn't the same apply to your makeup applications? No matter how smooth and sturdy your foundation is, starting with a primer that suits your skin type is a logical step 1. Hi, I'm Mohana and today I'll be listing my favorite primers for every skin type. Clogged pores, greasy skin and melting makeup are the common concerns of an oily skinned beauty. However, the right primer can make all these concerns disappear. The Wet n Wild Matte Photo Focus Primer can be the perfect partner to a non-greasy and long-lasting makeup look. Wet n Wild is a high-quality, affordable makeup brand, and if you haven't yet, you need to try it out now. You could actually call this a magic potion since its key ingredient is the mesmerizing white sapphire. Apply this primer with a flat brush to make sure there isn't too much contact with your hands and face, as the germ transfer can be more apparent when you have oily skin. This primer claims to smoothen fine lines, even out your skin tone, and give you vibrant color payoff that will last longer than that party will. If you've dealt with dull-looking skin, graying foundation, or flaking dry patches, welcome to the Dry Skin Club. However, there is an easy way out, a moisturizing primer that will hold on to your makeup all day long. The NYX Professional Honey Dew Me Up Primer is almost self-explanatory. It contains one of the most hydrating ingredients found in skincare and promises to give you a dewy look. Since this primer is a bit liquidy and sticky, it's best to use your hands to apply this as you would apply a serum or moisturizer. This primer cum serum contains reflective gold flecks that will ensure you have a radiant and sun-kissed glow throughout the day. Now we enter a tricky war zone that appears to have oiliness and dryness in the same territory. Our secret weapon here is an oil-free primer with a silicone base for grease control and enriching vitamin C to nourish dryness. It's safe to say that this pocket-friendly primer can be the perfect match for you. Here's the Colourbar Perfect Match Primer. It's one of our favorites here at the Glamorous Studio and we use it almost all the time. It acts as a barrier between your pores and your makeup, and you can actually forget about your fine lines peeking through after applying this primer. Using this primer with your fingers or a flat brush is best, as it really depends on your comfort level. One tip from us would be to start out makeup applications with clean and dry hands for the times you have to apply anything with your fingers. As a fellow sufferer of sensitive skin, I feel your pain. I understand the trouble of random breakouts and sore skin. What us sensitive skin people need is a primer that's 1. Gentle, 2. Non-drying, and 3. Long-lasting. You don't need to look far and wide for a magical product. The answer is right here. The Faces Canada Primerizer Primer Plus Moisturizer is on double duty when it comes to skincare and makeup prep. It contains the gentle and calming vitamin E. This will ensure your skin doesn't feel tight and dehydrated. In addition to that, this product also helps keep your makeup application smooth and long-lasting. The best way to apply this would be with a clean brush to minimize fingers touching the sensitive surface of the skin. Blessed with normal skin, you're one of the luckiest people out there. For the skin type that rarely sees a breakout and dry patches are out of the question, you'd think you don't need a primer. That's where you go wrong. The Sugar Face Forward Primer Stick requires no brushes or blenders to apply and has a non-sticky formula that's perfect for the humid climate. All you need to do is apply this primer stick to your cleansed and moisturized face and you're good to go. Now choose one of these primers according to your skin type, and trust me, when you do, you will see a huge difference in your makeup routine. Let us know in the comments below if you already use a primer or if you will start using one now. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.